Shit.
Spider-Man! Puko na yun, Spider-Man!
Singing the Omigel people, Christmas song. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets. Partida pre, Christmas song pa lang yan, kinikilig na sila. Whenever I see girls and boys selling yun lang. Taob tayo pre.
Backflip! Backflip ka nga, Spider-Man, backflip. Tumbling, wag! Tumbling ka, please, tumbling. Let's button lang, gago. Gago ka, Spider-Man, ah. Oo, gago ka! Kaya nararamdaman nila pag nakakita nila, may gago na lalaki tamakanta ng Christmas in our hearts dito, no? Sabi mo pa rin, ganito itsura, tapos mo lang, never I see girls and boys selling lanterns.
Ay.
Nakita ko na kasi kanina yun.
Magalolo ka. Gago ka rin. Sayang, kala ko naman meron na akong kaduwit, gagi. Cute ng teddy bear, oh. Yung isa nakatingin sa baba. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns. Kala ko may jumpscare eh.
Kakaligo ko na, nababahuan ka na sa akin.
Etong kanta na to para to sa mga iniwan. Hey! Shoutout pre, ano mo pangalan mo pre? Marion, salamat! Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas will always be in our hearts.